apple cider, but you have me smelling like fruit punch, and I don't even like you that much. Wait, I do. Fuck.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone. Before starting everything, let me introduce myself first. My name is Putri Syakarlanda Dimaski with NPM F1A024018. We will analyze the abstract with the lecturer Miss Aisyah Nurvita Setiawan Esmat MSc. On this occasion, I will present a detailed discussion of the abstract from the journal article titled A Comparison of Weak Least Square and Quantile Regression for Solving Heterozydicity in Simple Linear Regression. This study was conducted by Francisca Nugroho and Rahmawati and published in the JSDS Journal of Statistics and Data Science. When analyze a journal abstract, there are four fundamental components that we need to identify and understand. These components are the purpose, the problem, the methodology, and the discussion or result. The first component is the purpose, which provides a brief statement of the research goal and explain why the study is conducted. The second component is the problem, which gives a short description of the main issue or the gap that the research aims to address. The third component is the methodology, which offers a concise explanation of the how study was carried out, including the approach and the method used. The final component is the discussion or result, which present a summary of the key finding and explanation what those findings indicate about the research problem. Here we can see the abstract used for the analysis, namely using weak least square or WLS and quantile regression. Purpose. The purpose of this study is to analyze and resolve the violation of heterozydicity assumption with weak least square and quantile regression. This means the research aims to identify the assumption violation and determine which method provides a more effective correcting for regulatory model efficiency. Problem. One of the important assumptions that must be fulfilled to get the regression coefficient estimator based linear unbiased estimator BLUE is homozydicity. If the homozydicity assumption is violation, then it is called heterozydicity. The problem in this research is the violation of the homozydicity assumption, which causes heterozydicity. This study focus on this violation because the inconsistent of error variance. Methodology. The purpose of this study is to analyze and resolve the violation of heterozydicity assumption with weak least square WYLS and quantile regression. Methodology. In the context of this study, the focus is on implementing and evaluating with weak least square WLS and quantile regression. Discussion or result. Based on the result of the comparison between WLS and quantile regression, obtain the most precise method used to overcome heterozydicity in this research is the WLS method because it produces that is greater 98%. The weak least square or WLS method is found to be the most precise in handling heterozydicity, producing an accuracy of 98%. Therefore, WLS is concluded to be more effective and reliable than quantile regression in restoring the efficiency of the regression estimator.